Hello there, guys. It's Himi Sama once again here. It's another afternoon delight with me, and I'm going to share another issue slash topic with you guys. How deep is your friendship with someone? This is a very important topic or issue to talk about. Siguro medyo sensitive din to or importante and somehow a bit complicated kasi we all have our own definition of being a friend. So I just remember during my elementary days, I had this small notebook. Not naman that small. Siguro it, it's just I think half of the actual notebook. Usually yung mga slam book and orthograph, if you remember um, those kind of stuff that you had during your elementary days, in a way, I had the normal and happy childhood. So yun nga, I had my autograph and slum book as well as my other classmates and friends as well. And the thrill of having that, kasi may mga questions dun personal questions that you have to fill out or fill in the details. Like for example, there are questions like, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite dish? What is your motto in life? And I remember yung mga motong nilalagay ko. It's time is gold. And I just got this long motto na beyond the hills of many sacrifices lies the golden dreams of success. Wow, hanggang ngayon, natandaan ko pa siya, di ba? I just got it from one of our neighbors in Leverisa. I think ang name niya si Ate Len. So, bata pa kasi ako noon. I was in Leverisa. I was in Manila. And I asked my neighbors and some of my friends to fill out or fill in on my autograph and or slum book. So, yun nga eh. Tapos sabi ko nung bata ko, I was just, I think, 8 or 9 years old that time. Sabi ko, Ate Len, what's the meaning of this? Beyond the hills of many sacrifices lies the golden dreams of success. And then, in-explain niya nga sa akin. So, for you to be able to be successful in life, you have to strive hard or do your best in everything. Diba? Siyempre, kailangan magtiyaga and give your best. But of course, life is not always perfect. So, we have the reality bites. Anyways, let's just set aside the reality bites and let's just focus on our topic or issue for this afternoon. How deep is your friendship with someone? And it's like, how deep is your love? Diba? How deep is your love or care na mabibigay mo sa friends mo? So let's just define friends. For me, a friend is someone you can lean on. Lean on in times of defeat. When you feel na you are really defeated, and your true friend will just be there for you no matter what happened. No matter what happens, you know. They are there, they are ready to be your shoulder to cry on. Yun nga yung sabi nila, di ba? And a friend will take you whatever or whoever you are. Kahit anong nangyari pa or kahit nag-success ka or not, you know, ang totoong kaibigan, they will stick with you through thick and thin. 'Di ba? Yun nga yung sabi na hindi lang sila nandyan pag okay yung situation. Pero right now, I really don't know. I miss my old friends. It's just really a big question mark for me. For 17 years, I don't know what am I going to feel that I am really trying to find them, but I hope they are all okay and siguro kung may nagawa, 'di ba? How deep is your love for your friend? Mapapatawad mo naman if you will find out na they have this good intention. Pero good intention nga ba talaga? So, yun nga. So, I remember yung autograph and slum book during elementary days. Yun yung mga ginagawa natin during our childhood moments na we wanted to know deeply our friends, 'di ba? And the thrill of having that slam book, yun ang pinaka thrill or gist ng slam book or autograph eh. matatarantahan lahat. So, sino yung crush? Who is the crush of Peachy? Sino yung nilagay mong crush? It's really a big deal. So, yun yun. So, may mga friendship code din naman, 'di ba? It's a very complicated thing to discuss this kasi we all have our own different kind of definition on being a friend of someone. Yung iba kasi they don't want to hear a negative thing. Pero hindi naman sila masamang friend. I mean, ayaw nilang masyadong nagdo-dwell on the negative things ng friends nila. For them, they wanted to avoid those kind of friendship na kasi parang maa-absorb nila yung negative energy. Like for me, for example, right now, we're not really okay. We're on a rough road. Pero syempre, I'm trying to really survive and hopefully I can survive this situation. And you know naman, the life of people is not always okay, right? There is up and down. You can't always be on a smooth sailing road. Of course, may mga trials and obstacles. So yun nga, ano pa ba? Is it okay to ask a favor from a friend? It depends. It depends. Pero sa akin, if you're really a friend, I'm not gonna hide. I'm gonna show you my true color. If you need my opinion, I'm gonna tell you straightly my opinion without hesitation. Kasi yun yung gusto kong friend eh. I don't want someone na parang mag-hold back ng mga opinion or comments. But of course, you have to do it in a good way. And of course, a friend is, is always there if you need a helping hand. Like these days, di ba? Parang pag nanghingi ka lang ng isang oatmeal soap, chismis ka na agad sa ibang barangay. I don't think so that's a fair reaction of a friend that you are considering a friend na, for example, kasi syempre, di ba, I have a sweat rush and I'm asking for an oatmeal soap and then may mga comment pa. I am not lifting up myself, pero guys or angels, before that we had enough here, that we were on a middle class category, when my friends ask me for something, I never judge. Talagang even if you open my mind, syempre 'di ba may mga comic strip tayo sa ulo natin and yung iba they're just smiling at you pero you don't know may comic strip na ano ba to? Ang cheap naman. Parang ano ba yan? Oatmeal soap lang, you can't afford. May ganon. So, I just want to share that I was a good friend of my friends before, pero hindi ko siya sinusumbat. I am just reminding. Kasi, it's like in a relationship with a boyfriend. Hindi ka naman nanunumbat ng mga binigay mong bagay eh. But it's not bad to remind them the good things that you did for them, right? It's not bad to remind now, hey, I love you. I did this for you. Remember, yung ganon. Kasi sumbat, you can use it in a good way. So don't think na yung panunumbat, it's very negative. No. I really just want to remind my old friends of how I was with them during the time that we were on a real genuine middle class range. If they ask something from me, if I can give it to them, why not? Why not? If we have extra, I am really welcoming them in my family and giving, being generous. But of course, they are my trusted friends. Not naman all of the people na hindi mo kilala because they are your friends. So you are willing to be there for them if they need you. Diba? It's a simple oatmeal meal, a simple thing na, for example, kailangan ng ganito, ng ganyan. Wala pa nga milyon yung natutulong mo sa friend mo and then i-chismis mo na. So, I really just wanna correct the attitude of some other people out there na wala lang. Probably, I'm just being defensive here in a way. And it's not bad to be defensive. Diba? For example, I asked something from you because I'm bummed and we're really on a tight budgeting these days. I need an oatmeal soap. It's around 200 pesos, please buy me naman sa Lazada or kahit saang store. And then i-chismis mo pa ako. I don't think so na it's a mature friendship. Hindi matured yung friend mo and hindi mature yung friendship kapag ka ichinismis ka pa, 'di ba? They will just, gossip, make a gossip na, you know what? Peachy is asking me an oatmeal. Just so cheap. 'Di ba? Parang it's not really a mature act of someone na you treated them as your friend. But of course, you can't please everyone. Sometimes you don't know who are your true friends, 'di ba? But you can just really figure it out in times of defeat. Ano pa ba? Borrowing stuff or borrowing clothes? Actually, yung upbringing ko, I am not really allowed to borrow clothes from my friends or to let them borrow my clothes. But it's a case by case. On a special occasion, like mga gowns, kung meron, actually, I feel bad. I feel bad kasi someone just took away my gown here. Yung mga gowns ko nung teenager ako. I think it was borrowed by a relative uncle or my biological mother. And I feel bad. Wala na dito. Wala na yung 18th birthday gown ko and some of my gowns, evening gowns, yung red gown ko. Kasi yung red gown na yon, it's really branded I bought that in Makati, sa Glorieta pa. So nawala na even yung mga emerald green long gown ko, nawala na the black gown. Yung mga ganon, it's okay to let your friends borrow that kind of stuff. Kasi occasionally naman nagagamit yung mga long gowns na yan and gowns. Pero yung friend mo na talagang totally na talagang gagamitin na yung all of your stuff, I don't like that kind of friend. Hindi kasi ako pinalaki ng ganon. But of course, it's a case by case. For example, kung siguro talagang super emergency, kasi may mga taong, they don't have boundaries na on making friends with you. So, ako naman, kahit I'm on the purge side right now, I'm always see to it that I have etiquette. I have etiquette on making friends on new people na most especially yung mga naka-maintain na middle class or above range of middle class. I'm always see to it na I'm keeping my etiquette. Na, yun nga, but of course, I'm having an introduction of myself here because I'm a true friend. Hindi naman ako judgmental. I'm not being judgmental or anything. 'Di ba? Kagaya nga nung friend that I met here in ICOR, but I'm not gonna mention her name, of course. I'm gonna put her on a blind item. So sabi niya, nag-short daw siya ng fundings for her food for, for a week or more than a week. So I shouldered her food. I am not making sumbat. So, hindi ko sinusumbat. I am just sharing and setting an example here. That is being a friend. And for me, 500 pesos is less than 1,000 pesos is just a small amount, to help a friend. Of course, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. Kasi before, like what I said, when we were on our middle class range, I invited my friends. Talagang nagpapa-party ako dito just for a bonding and gathering. Every now and then yon. Every weekends or once a month, pupunta yung friends ko dito, yung high school friends ko. And then, we will have our steak night. Talagang nagpapa-steak talaga ako. Kasi talagang steak talaga ng malalaki. So, those are the things that I did for a friend. And then sila din naman, they were good to me. But right now, from the past years, and it's just really weird that they are all missing in action. And I don't know what happened to them. And I hope they're all okay. And whoever is guilty on something, there's a room for us to have a heart-to-heart talk. So you can just explain everything. And yeah, we can talk it out, diba? Because, that's being a friend to someone. Hindi naman kailangang mag-away or magsigawan You just have to explain everything kung may nagawa ka. 'Di ba? You don't need to hide. You just need to accept and know and learn how to say, you know what, Peachy, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that. Of course, you've hurt me. You've hurt me for so long. I don't know how many years. Nasaktan mo ko, and I deserve to hear an apology coming from you because we're friends. Ako din naman, I'm not a perfect friend eh. Yeah. So, yun yung mga, how deep is your love and for your friends? And how deep is your friendship with someone? So, yun. And of course, yun nga, asking a favor, it's not bad to do. Asking help, it's not bad to do as well. Kung talagang walang-wala ka, di ba? It's not that, friend, can you just buy me an oatmeal soap or something? I'm a bummer. Sa mga mature friends, wala yun eh. Wala yun. So, let me have my cup of coffee for a few seconds. Yeah. And another thing, hiding things from a friend kasi ayaw mo siyang masaktan, na they're calling it white lies. I don't think so that it is fair. Sabi nga nila, if you don't tell her, it won't hurt her. Pero that's a bad thing to do, ha? You're not a friend if you're gonna do that on me. So I'm just reminding you, ayoko ng ganong kaibigan na wag na lang natin sabihin kay Peachy kasi baka masaktan. No, kasi there is a negative energy na magsa-cycle eh. You will not tell it to me but something bad will happen to me. Kasi parang may energy na magsasabi sa akin na parang this particular friend did something on you na they just hide it from you and it's not a good act. Pangit yon. If you did something bad, make your friends and treat them as an adult. Kasi parang hindi mo ko tinreat na adult eh. You didn't treat me now mature, just like you. That's why you hide things kasi probably you think that you will hurt me. But that's the truth eh. I need to know this truth. And you don't have to hide things. You need to tell me directly to me what you did. And if you owe me an apology, then you have to say it. Sorry. Kasi ako, I'm not scared. I'm not afraid. And I'm not really shy to say sorry if I need to say the word sorry on someone. I am that sensitive. And I hope you'll do the same thing. Na if you need to say something, you just need to talk to me and reach out to me. Not this way. Diba? So, yun yung mga, how deep is your friendship with someone and how to be a friend. Yung mga basic eh. You don't need to make a gossip. You don't need to ruin the image of your particular friend na nahingi sa'yo ng ganito, ask you a favor, or borrowing something from you. Yan, kung hindi mo naman mabibigyan ng milyones, just tell your friend in a good way na, I'm so sorry. I don't have enough extra for now. So, I can't help you that much. Kung wala talaga, di ba? You can just say it directly to your friend. You don't have to spread the negative issue on other people. So I'm just reminding you on how to be a friend here. And yun, borrowing stuff kasi is case by case. It depends. Pero kasi ayoko naman ng sobrang wala ng boundaries, yung everything na lang hihiramin sa'yo, yung gamit ha. But of course, life is a case by case naman. Meron naman din siya. And then everything na. May ganong tao eh. And I don't want it. Yung everything na parang share na tayo. I don't want it. Baka dumating yung point na pati boyfriend share na tayo. No. Of course. Everything will be on a good organization. Of course. 'Di ba? May mga limitation din. Yun. I am not a perfect friend. I'm a very straightforward. And I'm showing my true color. So that's Peachy. So I hope you've learned something from me na, being a friend is being true to your friend in front, even at the back of your friend. Don't backstab your friend. Masama yan. It's in the Bible, diba? Maging kaibigan kayo. Hindi masamang humingi ng tulong. Maging totoo and, open and extend your arms if you can. Kasi there is a karma. Karma begets karma. It means that if you do good things on your friends, it will return to your cycle in life later or sooner. Babalik sa iyo 'yon. Hindi mo alam doble or triple pa yung marireceive mong blessing. So, yan. Being a good Samaritan is being a friend. Kahit hindi mo masyadong kakilala yung tao, you don't have to judge the person. If you think that you can help the person, help. Thank you so much and be a friend.